This is how a lab invites a creator in DentaMile Connect. Start by logging into DentaMile Connect. Once logged into DentaMile Connect, go to the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on the profile and go down to Connections. In the My Connections tab, you will see all of your active connections in DentaMile Connect. To make a new connection, go to the Invite by Email in the top right corner. This is how a lab invites a creator. The lab will type in the email for the practice. Pressing the Invite button will send an email to the practice inviting them to become a creator in DentaMile Connect. Before the email is sent, a message will appear at the top to confirm the email address. On the practice side, they will receive the invitation email. The invitation email will look like this. To accept it, press the Yes, I want to accept the request button. Once accepted, the practice will receive an additional email with a link to set up their creator account. If this email doesn't arrive in the main inbox, check the spam folder. To set up your creator account, first follow the link to reset your password. After resetting your password, log back in to dentamile-connect.com. Type in your username and password. When logging in for the first time, you'll be asked to fill out your profile data, your organization information, and finally, the contact person. When the practice completes the account setup process, they will be added to the lab's list of connections. You will be able to find this connection in the My Connections tab. If the connection needs to be deleted, press the Delete Connection button.